Okay, day 2 of the natural disaster. Last night we had a windstorm and didn't shut the trunk all the way, so hopefully everything inside is okay. Oh, that's factory. I was wondering if that would look underneath the... Well, my tools are still here. That's good. Well, you gotta appreciate my $2 job I did on this. Just stuffed a worn down old stained t-shirt inside there. That'll do for now. Doesn't really come out. Mice won't know. Mice won't know that it just pulls out. But who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, and after checking one more time that that's secure in there, we can start putting everything back together. Taillight mount broke. Hey, it's going in. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Down. Yeah, probably lost a piece of the bracket in there. Underside, right here. Yeah, you can see the piece of that t-shirt. Oh, I'm hitting something here. Oh, there we go. Okay, camera. There we go. Huh? Got it now. Whoops. Slipped. There we go. Yep. Oh, it's getting... Wonder who did this. Duct tape on the wiring harness. Probably just to hold it down. I'm gonna take this mouse bait lock out of here too. Okay, so I'm gonna start pushing it back into the trim. Okay, got it sitting pretty much flush with the trim now. 2 clips, one here, and one right there. Okay, now putting back on the trim. Should be no problemo. Hopefully. Oh, maggot. A broken bracket is keeping it from... It's in good condition now. I think I just fixed it. Just a line for me, please. Oh, good. Look. There's a nice fresh hole right through the trim. Perfect. Alright, now the bumper's on. The tail light's on. The trim piece is on. I saved that for you, so you know the process of getting it off. I put the trim piece back on here, nice and tight. These I'm just gonna leave hanging. Look, see, that's where the seatbelt was mounted, right at the top of my finger there. And I got a whole bunch of stuff done today. Now, I think I'm gonna put this off the jack now. So let's pull this off the jack. Alright, here we go. Up we go. Awesome, we're off the ground now. Down to the ground.
This is the horn, right?
Up.
Dad?
It's on fire.
Oh my god, Dad. It lit up.
See that? There's your short right there.